Why do people do not talk about using spirits? Because they'll disrupt. It'll disrupt the cemeteries for one. Because if the people start to snap that, oh, we use a ghost as power as sources, or we should win type, and oh, fuck, it'll stop cemetery, it'll stop card readings, it'll stop preaching, it'll stop singing, it'll stop movies for the everyday life activity. Is it gonna cost you? Well, it's free for some of y'all bitches to be like, ooh, wow, ooh, all fraud ass shit, or for your own effect. That's simple. There's one son. Clears. Oh, you motherfuckers, man. It's like a pussy ass